We're going to have a look at this question. I want us to work out how much we would get for simple interest and how much we would get in compound interest. This is an area that a lot of people make mistakes in, so you really need to make sure you know which is which and what it is that you're being asked to work out. Okay, so first of all, let's split the page into half. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the simple interest. So we're looking at 12% per year. I'm going to put per annum on £200. Okay. So don't really need a calculator with this one. So we could work out 10% is 20, 1% was 2. So we can work out that 12% per year is £24. Now we're being told it's for 2 years. So we then know that we need 2 years. This is only 1 year's interest. So after 2 years, we would have had twice as much interest. Okay, so after 2 years, we're going to have had £48 interest. Now, you need to really be careful here because this is somewhere that we quite often get tripped up in these questions. What is it actually asking us? Well, it's asking us how much he will have. So he will have this plus the original amount. Okay, now sometimes you're asked how much interest he has. So you just need to be careful of the wording and double check what it is they're asking you to do. Okay, so we know that he's going to have £248, okay, after simple interest. So that is A done. So now let's have a look at B. So this time we're looking at compound interest. Now, compound interest is different from simple interest. So that word should be ringing big alarms in your head. It's not the same. Okay, so on our first year, we get 12% on the original 200. Now, we know that 12%, we already know that is £24. So at the end of the first year, we would end up with 200 plus that 24. So at this point, it doesn't look any different. This is where it is now different. Compound interest means it's building every year. It's getting bigger every year. So our second year interest is not based on that original amount. Our second year interest is now based on this. So we have to work out what 12% of 224 is. Well, we know that 10% is going to be 22.4. Okay, 1% is going to be 2.24. Oh, sorry, that's not very good writing with my pen here. 2.24. Okay, so now I know that we've got 8, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, and 2. Okay, so this is the point that it's different because the interest is now based on this amount. Really, really important. So now I'm going to add this to this. Okay, so it'll be 224 plus. So after the second year, we are going to have what we had at the first year, so 224 plus 26.88. Okay. Again, you need to be careful and consider here what it is that you're being asked. So double check, are they asking for the new amount that I have? In this case, they are. So it's £250 and 88p. Okay, but do double check because they could be asking you how much interest you've earned. If they are, then you're going to be looking at the 26.8 and that £24. Okay, so do make sure you know what it is it's asking you for.